Hi all, this is Nandhini E, working as a assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering in the College of KS or College of Engineering. Now we are going to see about the functional units of computer. There are 5 types of functional units of computers are there. They are input unit, output unit, arithmetic and logic unit, memory unit, and then control unit, functional unit. This is the block diagram of functional unit. First one, functional unit. The functional units of computer, for example, input unit, arithmetic and logic unit, memory and control unit, and output unit, all are connected to the interconnection network that helps them in exchanging information. Now let us explore each functional unit separately. The input to the computer is either data or instruction that guides the arithmetic and logic unit, that means ALU, about what operation have to be performed, and also controls the movement of data between the computer and input or output devices. First one, input unit. Now the input unit, for example, data or instruction is accepted with the help of input units such as keyboard, mouse, touchpad, joystick and trackball. The most familiar devices that we use for input unit is keyboard and mouse. Whenever a key is pressed, the correspondent letter or digit is automatically translated into the corresponding binary code. Here the binary code is zeros and ones. The computer knows only the binary language, that means binary code, and translate over a cable to either a memory or the process. For audio and video input, microphone and camera are used respectively. Nowadays, the internet can also be used to issue input to computer for the computer or database. Next one, memory unit. Memory units are mainly used for storing the program and data. There are 2 types of memory units are there. They are primary memory and then secondary memory. First, we are going to see about primary memory. Primary memory is a fast memory that operates at electronic speed. Program must be stored in the memory while they are being executed. Each and every program must be stored in the memory while the program is being executed. The memory contains large number of semiconductor storage cells. Each cells carry 1 bit of information. The cells are processed in a group of fixed size called word. To provide easy access to any word in a memory, a distinct address is associated with each word location. Next, address or numbers that identify successive location. Address are represented as a number so that the location can be easily identified. The number of bits in each word length is called word length. Each word of a number is called as word length. The range of word length must be 16 to 64 bits. There are 3 types of primary memory are there. They are RAM, cache memory, main memory. RAM means random access memory. In this memory, which any location can be reached in short and fixed amount of time after specifying its address is called RAM. Time required to access one word is called memory access time. Next one, cache memory. The fast small RAM unit are called cache. There are tightly coupled with process to achieve high performance. Next one, main memory. The large and the slower unit is the main memory. The main memory consists of large and slower unit. It consists of large memory, but it has only slower unit. That is called as main memory. Next, the main memory. The memory is expensive as well as faster, but primary memory is volatile in nature. It does not retain its content when the power gets off. That means if a system gets switched off due to the current problem, the entire data stored in primary memory or get lost. This is the drawback of primary memory. Next one, secondary memory. Secondary memory is the hard disk of your system. It acts as a hard disk of our system. It also includes flash drive, optical disk and magnetic disk. It is slower and less expensive as compared to primary memory. For comparing to primary memory, it is cost wise less expensive. It does not lose its content even if the supply of power get off. If the system gets switched off means also the secondary memory stored data or not get lost. We require secondary memory to store a large volume of data or program permanently, or the data that is less likely to be retrieved. Okay. Next, we are going to see about arithmetic and logic unit. Arithmetic and logic unit, that is ALU. In this arithmetic and logic unit, we used to perform all the mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, comparison, etc. Let us see detail about this topic. The arithmetic logic unit of the process perform all the arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations includes addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, comparison between numbers, etc. The ALU unit perform the operation present in the instruction and then stores the result in the memory. It also stores the immediate result of operation in register. The arithmetic operation is performed on the operand. The operands are placed into the register, which stores one word at the time, which is sufficient for an operand. Retrieve of the data from register is even faster than the cache memory. In this arithmetic and logic unit, the data can be retrieved faster as compared to cache memory. Next one, control output unit. Its function is to send the process result to the outside world. The most familiar devices used to output a result, it is a printer. Normally for output unit we use printer for make our output to the world. A display screen is also an output unit as it display the generated result. Okay, but the screen is also used as output unit because it also generated the output in the display. Next, the display screen is termed input or output unit because of its function. Next one, control unit. The functions of input, ALU, memory and output unit requires coordination so that everything goes in sequence. For example, the process store input and generate output. The control unit coordinates the entire sequence. The control unit is mainly used for controlling all the functional units. For example, input ALU, memory, and output unit. It